everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. How are you guys doing and how is your day guys? So if you're actually joining me here for the very first time, you are highly welcome. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very simple ingredient that helps you so much to remove skin tag. Alright, so this is an amazing ingredient that works so much. Alright, for your skin tag, it helps to remove it in 3 to 5 days. So you have to be consistent for at least 3 days to see the improvement, how it actually helps to fall off the skin tag. Okay, so let me take you right into this video because all of the ingredients are weight natural and are also very affordable. Alright, so let's go. To remove skin tag, we're going to be needing to use garlic. Okay, so in this particular video I'm actually going to be showing you 2 different steps in which you're going to use to remove skin tag. Now any of the steps that you want to use is actually still perfect and okay. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be needing garlic first, so we're going to be peeling this garlic cloves. Now why we need garlic for this is so that it could burn those skin tag and skin wax, and then before you know it falls off. Okay, so to peel garlic I would have to be smashing it and smashing this other one. It's actually very easy that way. So if you've not learned this pattern, you learn it now. Smash it first before you peel it. It's actually very simple. Alright, so this is it. Now after you've smashed it, then you just use your hand and then you peel it. Okay, and it works really fine. Okay, so after doing that, here I have some good amount of garlic, so I'm actually gonna be putting it in my little mortar, and then I'll have to smash it. Okay, I'm actually going to be smashing all of them, but I'm actually going to be doing them one by one. Getting a small bowl, and then we're putting that into a small bowl. The next ingredient we're going to be needing for that is going to be banana. Now in this banana, we're actually going to be needing the banana peel to get rid of skin tag. Okay, not the banana itself but the peel, because it helps us so much in getting rid of skin tags. So how we're going to do this is that we're going to be peeling the banana. Just like this. In case your banana is too soft, it's still perfect. It has to be soft even for you to get much of the banana peel. Okay, so here I have my banana peel and I'm gonna be trashing that. Now after that, then we're going to be mixing this together. Now this is actually the first step of getting rid of skin tag. Okay, so you're going to hold on for the next step while I show you how to apply this. Okay, so how you're going to do that is that you're going to take this treatment on that affected area. You're going to first of all be needing to use Vaseline or vitamin E oil. Yeah, so if you have some tiny skin tag, you can take this Vaseline and then rub it around that place first. Okay, rub it around that place, and then you grab the banana and garlic, and then you place it on the affected area only where you have the skin tag. Okay, now for those people who have like some tiny skin tag on your face and on their body, I'm actually going to be showing you how you're going to be applying that. Yeah, now what you do is that you take this treatment and then you rub it through your face just like this. You have to make sure to blend it, let it be very well blended. You rub it through onto your face like that, and then you leave it on for like 2 hours or thereabouts, and then you wash it off. Now if you have a bigger skin tag or a bigger skin warts, okay, you would have to apply it just like this, the previous way I showed you how to apply. Yeah, you have to apply it just like this, and then for this you have to apply a plaster, a cotton, you have to apply a cotton wool and a plaster. Yeah, and then you would leave it on overnight. Okay, it's actually very simple. You leave it on overnight, and before you know it, your skin tag is gone. You do this for 3 days, the first day, the second day, and the third day. Be rest assured that all of your skin tag will be gone. Now let me show you the second method in which you're going to achieve this. I'm making use of baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Alright, baking soda is a great remedy that works really fine in removing skin tag and as well as skin warts. Okay, using it as a scrub on the skin would help so much to remove all of the unwanted blemishes and dark spots and even age related problems. Yeah, so what you're going to do for the skin tag is that we're going to be getting the same bowl. Now you're going to take the quantity in which you actually want for this remedy, and if it's 2 tablespoons, it is actually fine. Yeah, okay, so the next thing you're going to be needing banana, and also in this banana you're going to be needing just the banana peel. Banana peel is actually very helpful in getting rid of skin tag, warts and mole. Okay, very effective in that. So what you're going to do is that we're going to be peeling this all off. And now we're going to be taking the content of the banana peel. So we're just going to be scraping it just little by little like this. Alright, so then you take it into the baking soda and give it a mix. And you try to mix this. That's why you wouldn't need too much of the baking soda when you're just using these two ingredients, okay? Mix it really well. Alright, so after you've mixed it, and here you'll be having your result. Now, how you're going to be applying this treatment, you're going to take the treatment just like this, and then you're going to apply it on the affected area and try to mash it down so that you will not be having anything falling off, okay? Just like that. And just like that. Okay, so after which you've applied it, you can grab your Vaseline again, okay, and then you take some little quantity of the Vaseline and rub it around that place in which, you know, there are no skin tag. Now the reason you're rubbing this is so that your skin will not be burnt or affected. The only place that is gonna be working is just gonna be the skin tag area, okay? Now for some people who have little tiny skin tag, now you grab your Vaseline, you rub it on that skin tag, okay, the little ones, and after which you've rubbed it around, then you can take this treatment and also rub it around. Now the reason why you have to rub the Vaseline first is just so that it won't have to, you know, be too effective onto your skin directly. But if you want, you can actually rub it straight away, and the result is going to be really fast if you don't rub the Vaseline, okay? Now you can repeat this for 3 days and all of your skin tag will fall off, yeah? Alright, so for this treatment, you shouldn't store it because it's not something you should store anyways. So you just have to make it, apply it like this, and then for this one you can put a plaster over it and let it sit on your skin till the following day, and it's gonna be really nice, yeah? Okay, so after that, then you're gone. 3 days, your skin tag will die off and fall off. So that's it. It's actually very effective, very natural, and so helpful. All right, so give this a go, apply it on your skin, and it's going to be really effective by removing some skin tag. It also works in removing skin wax and mole, okay? So go give this a go, and I'll see you again in my next video. But do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.